Project Anvil. Once again, we're working on Jezebel. Hold on one second, let me tighten this up. Oh, before I forget, half light. Arm's fine. I'm good. How about that brand that Hammer left you? That's what you might want to check on. Hold on one second, guys. Oh, by the way, gotta keep moving, guys. Gotta stay moving whether you're fighting or running. W, saw the last blog entry, man. Keep moving, don't get caught. Hold on a second, let me grab this wrench. Something tells me this ain't the right length. Whatever. Alright. Let me get back to fixing Jezebel, guys, and I'll try to update you as soon as I can.